Hello friends, welcome to SDS Learning Center. My name is Saurabh Kumar and I am going to teach you geography. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to talk about atmosphere. So friends, in this lecture I read one by one point and give you full information or full explanation about that point. So let's start our video. So students, today our topic is atmosphere. What is our topic? Atmosphere. Now, I will read one by one point and give you full explanation about that point. Now, let's start our first. Now, our first point, the envelope of air that completely surrounds the earth is known as atmosphere. Now, in this point, it shows that the envelope means the blanket of air which is completely surrounding the earth, which completely surrounded the earth is known as atmosphere. Now, what is a blanket? A blanket means there are many types of gases which are combined and mixtured, and this gases is known as a envelope, or it is also known as a blanket. A blanket which is surrounded the earth, which is surrounded the full totally earth. Therefore, it is known as atmosphere, and that blanket is known as atmosphere. This is our first point. Now let's move to our second point. Now, our second point is atmosphere origin approximately about 1 billion ago, but today's condition is formed about 58 crores year ago. Now, this point says that our atmosphere origin about 1 billion year ago, but today's condition means today's weather, today's season changes first form on 58 year ago. It first form means atmosphere formed 1 billion year ago, but the today's condition is formed about 58 crores year ago. So friends, this is our second point. Let's move to the next point. Now, atmosphere has many type of gases and mixture of gases, and they are with earth because of the gravitational force of earth. Now in this video, in this point, it says that the atmosphere has many type of gases. Now you know gases: oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen. These are all type of gases, and there is a mixture of gases in the atmosphere. But the force which is bind all that gases, this force is known as gravitation force of earth. Means gravitation force binds all the gases surrounded the earth surface. All the gases are binded by gravitation force of the earth. So this is that it says that the gravitation force attract all the gases to make bind with earth atmosphere. Now this is our point. Now let's move to our next point. Now, earth's average temperature is about 16 degrees Celsius, and atmosphere has ability to maintain the earth temperature. Now in this point it says that the earth average temperature, means this is average. It may be colder, it may be hotter, but earth average temperature is about 16 degrees Celsius. Now 16 degrees Celsius is our earth average temperature, but the atmosphere has also ability to maintain the temperature of the earth. Means seasonal changes. All these seasonal changes will take place. Rainy season, winter season, or summer season comes. Therefore, to maintain the balance of the earth temperature, it also which maintain earth's temperature, atmosphere has ability to maintain the earth temperature. This is our point. Now let's move to our next point. Now in this point it shows that the atmosphere contain which type of gases and what is the percentage of that gases. Now first gas is, the main gas in the atmosphere is nitrogen. Nitrogen has very large amount in atmosphere. nitrogen found in very large amount in atmosphere. Now let's move forward to percentage of what are the gases we are found in the atmosphere. Now first gas is nitrogen. Nitrogen has approximately 78% found in atmosphere. Next gas is oxygen, 20%, 21%, argon, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, neon, helium, krypton, xenon, and lastly ozone. These types of gases are found in atmosphere. Now nitrogen or oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, neon, helium, krypton, xenon, and ozone. These types of gases are found in atmosphere, but large amount of gas found in atmosphere is nitrogen, and second number is oxygen. So friends, this is our today's lecture on atmosphere. Now let I summarize all the things and we will close our lecture. Now I will summarize all the things. The envelope that covers the Earth's surface, or the blanket which covers the Earth's surface, is known as the atmosphere. Atmosphere origin about 1 billion year ago, but today's condition is about 58 crores year ago. The atmosphere has many type of gases, and the atmosphere has many type of gases and the mixture of gases, but the gases bind with Earth because of the gravitational force of Earth. The Earth temperature, average temperature is about 16 degrees Celsius, and atmosphere has the ability to maintain the Earth temperature. Now, the atmosphere consists of gases, and what percent? Nitrogen is the most important in atmosphere. In nitrogen is one of the most important gas in atmosphere, and it contains fourth-fifth of total atmosphere. Fourth-fifth part of total atmosphere. Now nitrogen is 78%, oxygen 21%, and this type of all up to ozone gas, helium, krypton, but the main gas is nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen is 78% and oxygen approximately 21% found in the atmosphere. So friends, this is our today's lecture on atmosphere. If you like our video, press the like icon, share our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you.